Imagine holding the most powerful computer in the world, but it fits in the palm of your hand. For years, Apple fans have been asking the same question. Why does the smallest iPad always feel like an afterthought? We've had the Mini 6, which gave us the redesign we craved. We've had the Mini 7, which, let's be honest, was a bit of a blink and you'll miss it, spec bump. But right now, something is shifting in Cupertino. The rumors coming out of the supply chain aren't just whispers anymore. They are a roar. We are talking about the iPad Mini M5. And if the latest leaks from late 2025 and early 2026 are even half true, this isn't just an update. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It's a rebirth. It's the Pro Mini we've been waiting for since the very first model hit the shelves over a decade ago. Think about it. Why do we love the Mini? It's not because it's the cheapest. It's because it's the only device that bridges the gap between the iPhone in your pocket and the MacBook on your desk. It's the pilot's favorite, the gamer's secret weapon, and the digital nomad's ultimate notebook. But for too long, it's lived in the shadow of the Pro models. It lacked the screen, it lacked the raw power, and it lacked that cutting-edge feel. Well, that's about to change. The iPad Mini M5 is rumored to be the first non-Pro iPad to receive the OLED treatment. But not just any OLED. We're talking about a display technology that could potentially fix the biggest complaint in Mini history: the jelly scrolling and the lack of deep, inky blacks. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Under the hood, Apple is reportedly testing the M5 chip, the same beast that powers the flagship iPad Pros and the latest MacBooks. We are looking at a device that might actually be more Pro than the iPad Air itself. In this video, we are going to tear down every single piece of information we have. We'll look at why Apple is suddenly pivoting its strategy, how this device will redefine handheld gaming, and why, for the first time ever, the iPad Mini might actually be the most important product in Apple's 2026 lineup. If you've been thinking about buying an iPad, stop. If you're holding on to an old Mini 6, wait. Because what's coming is going to change the tablet game forever. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: the display. For years, the iPad Mini has been stuck with LCD. Now, don't get me wrong, Apple's liquid retina displays are good. But in a world of OLED iPhones and tandem OLED iPad Pros, the Mini screen started to look, well, dated. The iPad Mini M5 is set to change that with a rumored 8.7-inch OLED panel. Now, you might ask, how do they fit an 8.7-inch screen into the same body? The answer is simple and brilliant: thin bezels. Apple is finally shrinking those borders. Imagine an edge-to-edge canvas that fits in your jacket pocket. The contrast ratios will be infinite. The brightness will hit levels that make outdoor use a breeze. But the real kicker: the rumor of a 120 Hz promotion display. If Apple finally gives us promotion on the Mini, it's game over for the competition. No more stutter, no more laggy scrolling, just pure, fluid motion. But why now? Why is Apple finally giving the Mini the love it deserves? To understand that, you have to look at the market. Handheld gaming is exploding. With the Steam Deck, the ROG Ally, and the Nintendo Switch 2 dominating the scene, Apple knows it has the best gaming hardware in the world. It just doesn't